Hey everyone, thanks so much for watching this song tutorial video. In the first part, I'm going to count out the song's chords so you'll know exactly how long to play each one. In the second part, I'm going to play through the entire song so you can practice along with me. So stick around to the end, and if you find this video helpful, please like, comment, subscribe, etc. Before we begin, you should click on that link at the top of the description and that'll take you to a chord chart containing all the chords and lyrics of the song you're about to practice. I recommend printing it out right now and grabbing a pencil so you can write in the number of beats per chord as I call them out to you. If you see a chord you don't recognize, and just click on link number 2 in the video's description and that'll take you to a list of chord tutorial videos. Finally, if you want to learn more songs once this video is over, click on link number 3 and that'll take you to a spreadsheet containing all of my chord charts and song tutorial videos. Now let's get started. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Love Makes Us Strong. I'm going to demonstrate the song on guitar, but you can use any instrument that you choose with this tutorial because I'm focusing on the timing of the chords, and that's going to be the same regardless of your instrument. If you haven't already, click on link number 1 in this video's description, and that'll take you to a chord chart that you'll need to follow along. I'm going to jump into the chorus, and as I play through each part of the song, starting with the chorus, you're going to see the chords I'm playing and the number of beats per chord displayed on your screen. This song is in 6/8 time signature, and that means that as we're counting the number of beats per chord, we get to count every 3 beats as 1 in order to work with smaller numbers. So I'm not going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to count 1, 2. So let's begin. 1, 2, 3. We will watch, we will pray, we will wait for that day. Lamps are lit, oil is stored, hearts are burning, Bridegroom Lord. So now let's go over the next part, which we're labeling as the verse. 1, 2, 3, 4. We are the church, we are the bride. Love makes us strong to lay down our lives. All right, that just leaves one last part, and we're going to call that part the bridge. So let's jump in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bind us together in love while we wait. Bind us together in love. And they sometimes will do this with an octave jump. So if you feel like doing that, just go an octave higher. I started low so that I could do an octave jump. Okay, now we've gone through every part of the song, and let's play through the entire thing. I'm going to go from just doing 1 strum per every 3 beats to doing a more elaborate strum pattern, but you don't have to copy what I'm doing. Just focus on the timing of the chords on whatever instrument you're doing this with. So we're going to start with the chorus chords, and then we're going to do the chorus twice, the verse twice, and then the bridge we're going to do a total of 4 times, so you can do it twice, both with the low octave and with the high octave. 1, 2, 3, 4. A minor, F, C, G. We will watch, we will pray, we will wait for that day. Lamps are lit, oil is stored, hearts are burning, Bridegroom Lord. We will watch, we will pray, we will wait for that day. Lamps are lit, oil is stored, hearts are burning, Bridegroom Lord. Verse twice. We are the church, we are the bride. Love makes us strong to lay down our lives. Repeat. We are the church, we are the bride. Love makes us strong to lay down our lives. 2 bridges. Bind us together in love while we wait. Bind us together in love. us together in love while we wait. Bind us together in love. Repeat. Bind us together in love while we wait. Bind us together in love. Bind us together in love while we wait. Bind us together in love. And here. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to click on link number 3 and check out my other chord charts and song tutorials. If you want to help me make more videos, you can support me on Patreon using the link below. God bless, and I look forward to seeing you next time.